Superhandy leaf vacuum and with chipper is marketed as an all-in-one yard cleanup machine that vacuums leaves, mulches debris, and chips branches. But the real question is it actually worth the price or just another bulky yard tool with impressive marketing? Now, to be fair, this is a real heavy-duty machine, not a gimmick gadget. Compared to tiny electric mulchers, the Superhandy unit is genuinely more powerful and designed for larger residential cleanup jobs. What it does well: strong power for residential yard cleanup. The 7 HP 209 cubic centimeters gas engine gives it noticeably more power than small electric shredders. It can handle leaves, twigs, and branches up to around 2 inches thick, depending on the material. Combines multiple tools into one machine. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. Instead of buying a separate leaf vacuum, mulcher, and chipper, this combines all 3 functions into a single unit. Where it falls short: expensive for casual homeowners. This is the biggest issue. At roughly $900 to $1,100, depending on the retailer, it becomes difficult to justify if you only do major cleanup a few times per year. Renting may make more financial sense for some people. Still not a true commercial chipper. Despite the aggressive marketing, this is not comparable to professional hydraulic feed commercial chippers used by tree services. Reddit users repeatedly warn that smaller gravity-fed machines struggle with crooked branches, green material, and heavy-duty non-stop use. Can jam with certain materials. Several Reddit discussions mention frequent clogging as a common frustration with residential chippers in general. So, is the Superhandy leaf vacuum and with chipper worth the price? Short answer: yes for the right homeowner, but probably overkill for casual yard work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.